Looks grumpy.
Shelly, why you look so grumpy? Hello, dear. So what's up? Tell me what's going on. Yes, you are on video. Oh my god. Yeah. You want to tell what's going on? No, Shelly is malu malu at the moment. Well, as you can see, everybody. Yo. What's up, guys? We're on the plane right now, off to London. Yeah, off to London. So you just missed like the most awesome like Arab announcement. Hala hala hala. So you're gonna follow us from. You saw us at the airport. Now we are in the plane. Later we will be at the other airport in Doha. So catch us in Doha.
Ladies and gentlemen, all our guests are on board,
Yeah,
and we're
that's
ready
it.
to
Catch us in
depart
Doha.
to Abu Dhabi.
Peace.
Will all ground personnel leave the aircraft, please? Thank you.
Seatbelts on, please. Seatbelts on, please. Seatbelts, please.
Seatbelts on? Yeah. Okay.
الله يسعدكم بخير، سمعت زي ما كان طايرة.